You heard the exciting news. LEPO is getting a makeover. If you've been looking for a way to make money online, I have an amazing digital course that's going to teach you step by step on how to build a business online and be successful and put a lot of money in your pocket. The old LEPO was absolutely amazing, but this LEPO Max is going to blow it out of the water. It's going to have new course, new modules, and a ton of education on how you can explode your business. Here's the exciting part. We're running a promo. So starting December 18th through December 31st, there is going to be an amazing sale. So you want to save this video so you can come back to it on December 18th, and I'm going to have it uploaded in my profile. If you want to grab it, I'm telling you, you are going to save a ton of money, and there is nowhere you can go to start your own digital marketing business for this price. And if you want to be on my waiting list, just go ahead and email me at info@dspur.com, and I will put you on that waiting list and we'll make sure you are first in line, because it's going to change your life.